Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalinaksha Swami. Welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. Based on the India Weeks, the levels you need to mark are these are the levels. On the upper side, 25,067. That was the high made and got rejected from there. And 24,585. These are the daily levels, week's levels you need to watch out. And the weekly levels to be 25,470 and then 24,187 on the lower side. These are the levels you mark out, and the India current VIX is around 18.54. That's why we are noticing wide range. If you measure the range from here to here, 477 points, 480 points. That is and the price has closed in between the range. Let us analyze what has happened. The price action over here. The market moved higher. It made a high of 25,079. After that, it consolidated through the time on 26th. On 26th, it could not go anywhere and it was a sell-off in the next day. That is yesterday, 27th. There was liquidity available. I had already made video that the market may seek liquidity beneath this as well as beneath this. So perfectly, market came down to this level and there was a reversal and market has taken liquidity above this. Market has taken liquidity below this and tried to move higher, and it has taken liquidity below this. Both the sides liquidity has been captured by the smart money, and then market made a very swift down move till this year, finally closing around 24,837. So it may act as 24,930 to 24,847. This is the level market can face some sort of resistance over here. The market can go there and face some resistance and it can start coming down. If we see there, this is the order block, last candle. If I make it very this one, this is the order block. Around 24,942 to 24,961, there is a sell order block. And even this is also a order block, sell order block. We need to see what will happen in the market. Suppose if it goes there and grabs liquidity and turns around, that is around from 837 to 950, that level is around 50, 80 points up. 80 points, no, more than that. 120 points up. And if it goes there and starts rejecting from there, it can come down to this level. We need to see what the market will do, whether it will try to move higher or it will try to move down. Probably this is the I have applied volume profile over here. The POC is around 24,585. That is the week's level. Around this week's level, 24,612. And you can see high volume node over here, buy volume node. And a streak of buy volume node is around 24,566. So you can anticipate today is an event day in our market. IIP data is coming. So IIP, for that, some sort of reaction will be there in the market. I don't know what time it will be released. Till you need to be very watchful about the price action and you have to trade. Only if it comes here, if it comes and gets rejected, this is since it is a buy volume around this area, 24,005, not 9 to 585, then if there is a reversal candle formation, then you will get a buying opportunity in the market. There you get a buying opportunity. Market may try to reverse from there. Otherwise, if if it comes down and if it goes up, that will be a very good thing. Or if it tries to move higher and if it starts moving down, it may be a trend day. You need to watch the price action very carefully and take the trade. Bank Nifty levels, please note down, mark on your chart. The resistance levels are placed around 55,889 and 54,850. These are the two levels. And if you see the price action, even in the Bank Nifty, market moved down. Same sort of behavior you can see in the market in the Bank Nifty. See, and it moved down, took the liquidity beneath these levels and has taken the liquidity above these levels and the direction trend has become down. Suppose if I measure the trend, this one 747, and you can anticipate if the market starts moving down, you can anticipate for 744 measured move in the market that comes to around 54,648. And there is liquidity around this area. So let me take the fixed range volume profile and fix it to this top. Let us see, these are the high node buy volume in this area. And all these are sell volumes. And a high node sell volume is present over here. In between, there are some streaks of. So we need to see how the market will behave. And since there is a high node buy volume, the market has come down and gone up here. It has. So sellers have become active in this area. You can see high node sell volume. And also in this, you can see a very high node volume. So market has from here started coming down and it has tapped into that, and now it has gone below this level, high node volume area, and it has moved down. So the direction may be, it can be down, it can take support around these high volume nodes. That is, which is placed around support line 54,850. So only when you get those levels, you look for buying opportunity. Don't hurry yourself. Don't trade in between. If you take in the designed level, destined level, then your trade will be very good. You can hold the position and the market will reverse with the momentum. Otherwise, there will not be momentum in the trade. It will be choppy. For example, you see in this area, market was selling down. If you would have thought it is a reversal, that is not so. You should look for selling opportunity. Because, why? Because this was the last candle low. Last candle low and last candle high. And the level was broken here. The last candle low was broken here and there was a change in character. Change in character, market structure has changed. Then you need to, even if it is a green candle, you should not attempt for buying. Actually, you should look for selling opportunity. And you should concentrate on these levels. This is the level from where the buying has emerged. Exactly. You can see the pop-ups. Pop-ups are not very strong. The market continued moving down only around this area. Around this area, there was a strong reversal. Even though there is a strong reversal, you can see the price action. It is lower high. This is another lower high. And let us mark. This is another lower. So probably there is liquidity beneath this, and market can seek this liquidity beneath this. And since there is a high volume node area over here, and it has already started selling below the POC line and also the value area. If it starts moving down, market will start continuing downwards. So friends, always note down. This is the one trendy move and the one trend down move. These are all tributaries. Internal structure. You should see what is the structure and break of the structure. So when there is a change in character, you should not attempt for these minor tributaries, minor trends. These are all minor trends. Sell on rally, sell on rally. It may be a deep retracement over here, deep pullback, but you can see it is lower highs. Only reversal will come if it crosses all these levels. But on the volume profile, we can see high node sell volume over here that indicates sellers are dominant at this level, 55,889. So this is how you need to step by step analyze the market and take position. So note down all the levels, trade wisely. I wish you all very profitable and successful trade. If you trade with discipline, definitely success comes to your way. Thank you very much, friends. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.